What's the common between a college student in Pune, a software developer in Bangalore, and a freelancer in Delhi? So, all of these idea having small, some of crazy, some brilliant, but most of them never take off. Why? Because we think building a startup needs coding, a co-founder, investor, and a big hobby is too complicated, right? But what if I told you none of that is true anymore? Welcome to the SaaS Sprint Series, From Idea to Income, a brand new playlist where I will take you on journey to build your own digital product. Even if you can't code or have never started anything before, this series is your blueprint to build simple and profitable SaaS business from scratch. And I will be giving you so many boilerplates to create and get started today and very ready-made work. Think of like a digital business you build once and keep working for you 7. We will be exploring real life founders who are earning 50,000 to 5 lakhs per month. Not unicorn, just clever creators using simple tools and solving real problems. They are also using AI products. So you will be learning how to think like a SaaS founder. Pick an idea and build without code. Launching quickly and get your first user, all the step by step I will be guiding you. So if you are a student, freelancer or content creator, or a 9 to 5 employee, or just someone trying for waiting for the right time, this series is for you. You don't need 1 crore rupees, you need curiosity, courage, and this playlist is for you. So hit the subscribe button and like our video, because we are going to upload so many videos which will bring you one step closer from just idea to the real and monthly income. Let's sprint, let's build. Welcome to the SaaS Sprint Series.